Principles by Dalio. The rules billionaires follow when everyone else panics. When markets crash, headlines scream, and everyone's panicking. Billionaires stay calm. Why? Because they don't move from emotion. They move from principles. In principles, billionaire investor Ray Dalio lays out the mindset that helped him turn Bridgewater into one of the world's most successful hedge funds. This isn't a book about money. It's about how to think. Let's break down the rules billionaires follow when the world loses its mind. Reality is the ultimate teacher. Dalio's first rule is brutal honesty. Face reality as it is, not as you wish it to be. Most investors panic because they build fantasies. Billionaires deal with facts. Every problem is a data point, not a disaster. When you stop fighting the truth, you start seeing opportunities that others miss. Pain plus reflection equals progress. Dalio says every loss carries a lesson if you're willing to study it. Most people avoid pain. The wealthy analyze it. Every drawdown, mistake, or failed trade is feedback for your system. That's how billionaires turn setbacks into strategy. Build systems, not feelings. Billionaires don't rely on emotion. They rely on algorithms and rules. Dalio built Bridgewater's success on systems that make decisions based on logic, not fear. If you want consistent wealth, your process must work even when you're emotional. The system doesn't panic. People do. Radical transparency creates power. Dalio's team recorded meetings, shared mistakes, and encouraged honest feedback even when it stung. Most people protect their ego. Billionaires protect the truth. You can't improve what you hide. Transparency builds accountability, and accountability builds power. Diversify knowledge and investments. Dalio's Holy Grail principle: mix uncorrelated assets to reduce risk. The same applies to your life. Diversify your knowledge, income streams, and skills. Don't put all your fate in one job, one investment, or one idea. Billionaires spread risks but stay focused on principles. The calm mind wins. When everyone else panics, billionaires breathe. Dalio says your emotions are just chemical reactions. They're not truth. The person who stays calm during chaos owns the future. Principles isn't a book about getting rich. It's a manual for mastering yourself. The reason billionaires win is because they think in systems, not spurts of emotion. They act from data, not drama. If you can stay disciplined when everyone else panics, you're already halfway to financial freedom.